Hey Kana, this is Pastor Kevin, and I just wanted to walk us through a quick look at how to set up a Zoom account. And then also, I'm going to do a follow-up video on how to use Zoom. You need to know this, one, if you're a leader, and two, if you plan on attending any small group Bible studies or meetings in the days ahead at Cana while we are all on COVID-19 quarantine. So let's just get started. We're going to go to our browser and we're going to open our favorite browser. It doesn't matter which one. We'll go to the URL bar and just type in zoom.com. All right, that will open up. And then once we're in Zoom, what we're going to do is we're going to say sign up. It's free. Okay, now I have already signed up and done all of the web tracking and all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to skip that part, but it's pretty easy and you'll see how it goes in this next step. All right, so we're going to sign in here and I'm going to enter my credentials. All right, so here's me and I'm then going to sign in. And it's going to take me to this page that has all different kinds of meetings. Now, if you are using Zoom as a leader, you can schedule your meetings here. All right. In this case, we're going to schedule a new meeting and wait for that to come up. And we're just going to say this is our test meeting. And we're going to say this one is about learn to Zoom. All right. And we're just going to schedule it for this time. You could schedule it for any time that your team is actually going to meet. All right. Scroll down, save. And then we are going to go ahead from here and start this meeting. Now it's going to take us to another page in which it's going to ask us to download and run Zoom. If you're a new subscriber on this, then you will have to do this at some point where you have to download Zoom. So I want to show you how to walk through this process. Okay, so Zoom is now downloaded and I am going to pick my downloaded folder and I'm just going to click on it. And it's going to go ahead and install the Zoom player. Okay, so we skipped through quite a bit and you can see we're at 99% done and see what it does next for us. Okay, so now Zoom is going to connect, and when it connects, it's going to give me this dialog. Now, remember, I said I wanted to join that meeting, so it's going to open up. I'm going to join with my computer audio, and it tells me, it gives me a little note that I'm using computer audio, and I'm going to start the video here. In just a moment, we'll come back and do another on this whole process of using Zoom. All right, so now I've started the camera and I've started the audio. So that is how I get Zoom on my machine.